Today we are going to talk about Pianoforall. We, the House of Solutions, have prepared a complete review video with everything you need to know before you buy Pianoforall course. I also have some really important warnings, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make any mistakes when using or purchasing Pianoforall. The first thing you need to know about Pianoforall is, it is not necessary for you to know or have any background in piano or keyboard. This course is especially for you who want to learn from scratch. It is very important to be careful about the site where you are going to buy the course, because Pianoforall is only sold on the official site. To help you, I have left the link to the official site below in the description of this video. So what is Pianoforall and does it really work? And the answer is yes, it does. It has a very good teaching method. There are many explanatory videos that teach you step by step and make you develop. Because it is an online course, you can access by phone, television, tablet, and several ways for you to access it. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Pianoforall, including on the official site, contains numerous testimonials from customers who have taken the course, and you can also have results. However, you need to keep in mind that in the beginning it will be hard and it will take some time for you to be able to play, but with constancy and dedication you will go far. This is a little obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you can be realistic about your evolution and expectations. Also, for Pianoforall to work, you need to dedicate at least 20 to 30 minutes a day. You need to practice every day, because then you will develop better, so you will create constancy to always be trying and improving your mistakes, or else you won't see great results and you will really get a bit frustrated. With dedication, after a while you will have results, but most people have better results after months of study and dedication. So I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you are going to buy the Pianoforall, and also, if you buy the course, do the exact course, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else's because it depends on your commitment to the instrument, time and ease to learn. I really hope this video has helped you. And I also hope that Pianoforall really helps a lot to improve your life, and that you become a great keyboard player and pianist. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel. Jesus loves you, and thank you for watching this video. See you soon.